Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this one, I'm going to break down exactly why I stopped trading meme coins and why I switched to launching them instead. I realized that in 2026, deving is way more profitable and it comes with way less risk than trading. That shift alone to deving has made me a lot more money in this space than trading will ever make. If you want to see exactly how it works, well, watch this video. Look at these numbers, all from launching meme coins, not trading them. If you are still buying coins today, bro, you are playing the wrong side of the game. Deving is the way to go. If you are still trading meme coins right now, you are putting yourself at a disadvantage from the start. You are entering into random coins, hoping to make money, okay? But after that, bro, the person who created the coin literally dumps on your head and you become exit liquidity and you lose all your port. That's why people who really understand this space are not focused on trading anymore. They're actually focused on deving, because deving meme coins, okay, it's low risk and high upside. And honestly, it's much smarter to dev meme coins than to trade, because you have nothing to lose. You just launch coins, okay, and then you dump them and you rinse and repeat that method. It costs nothing to make a coin, by the way. But when you trade meme coins though, it's the complete opposite of deving. You become the liquidity, you are the one others are selling into. That's why you have to start deving, and that's exactly why I am making this tutorial video. Now the process is simple. You create the token, you let attention build up naturally, and then when a bunch of buyers come in, you can just cash out. You can do whatever you want as a dev, it's up to you. Launching has become the new meta because creating a meme coin on chain costs almost nothing, right? And that's exactly how I built my portfolio from start to right now. So keep watching, because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first token and how it could potentially turn into profits. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here to show you guys exactly how it's done. That's it, okay? So please do your own research. Cap! Now most devs getting into the deving space of the meme coin world mostly go to Pump.Fun to make their meme coins. It's the most recognizable platform, so it feels like the safer choice and the most lucrative, but that's exactly the problem for most newbies. Pump.Fun is oversaturated. Tokens launch constantly, and the vast majority of all these coins launching, as you guys can see in the new pairs, die within fucking minutes, okay? Launching here is not a strategy, it's a lottery ticket. On top of that, the platform controls your liquidity and skims from your creator fees, meaning you are never in full control from the very beginning. The real target as a dev like you and me is the Raydium DEX. Here is where actual liquidity lives and real buyers are active. When your meme coin levels up to Raydium, bro, it gets a bunch of attention, eyeballs, credibility, buyers, just everything at the same time. But getting your coin on Raydium through Pump.Fun is extremely slow, uncertain, and there's no guarantee that you can even get to Raydium because of the migration curve fucking price. And that's exactly why I made the switch to create Meme.io. It bypasses the bonding curve entirely and launches your token directly onto Raydium, so your coin goes in front of real traders from the very beginning of your launch. More importantly, you stay in control of your own liquidity. The platform does not take any cuts, no waiting, no hoping, just straight launching to Raydium to a bunch of people. That's why it's get kept. Now let's break down exactly how you can launch a meme coin on Create Meme.io. There are two ways to approach this method, and the right one all depends on your strategy. The first way is to start with an angle and make your meme coin here from scratch, okay? You need a viral narrative, you need a community, a project to turn into a meme coin. Just put the name, symbol, and image, and it's simple as that, okay? You can even look for trending stories, viral moments, anything. The second method though is the one that I personally use, because instead of starting from scratch, right, we are copying coins that are gaining already a bunch of traction on Pump.Fun. All these coins, okay, have active buyers, real volume, and proven momentum, and that's exactly why they show up right here. If you want new coins, click on refresh and it might show up with new coins. Bang, bro. And yeah, bro, all of these coins have a bunch of buyers and they're all going fucking viral. So we are copying these coins from Pump.Fun back to Raydium, and we're gaining a bunch of buyers and a bunch of attention, and we have a higher chance of our coin going viral because we copied a good narrative. But anyways, bro, let's make some money right now, bro. This part is going to be really important because I will be doing a live example on how to dev, and let's see how much we can make. Okay, so let's go. Good luck to me. First of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, then click on refresh, okay, if you want, or the page, it's up to you, and then look for a coin to copy. I'm gonna copy the Jack coin. Why not? Click on this button to copy to Raydium. It will mint. Ignore the block from Phantom. It's safe, it's normal, okay, it's not a big deal. Click on proceed and then confirm. I understand right here, and then confirm, and then the coin will be minted, vamped, copied. It's all the same thing. Just wait. And bang, now if you go on SoScan for some proof, you guys can see that it's minted, it's created 11 seconds ago. You guys can go see it on chain if you want. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page right here is where we create our Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, the coin can go live and people can buy our coin, but most importantly, we control all the coins in our Phantom wallet, okay? Now look, for the amount of coins, click on 90%. This will drop whatever 90% is, which is really good. It's a sweet spot, okay? I would highly recommend 90%. For the amount of coins for yourself, I would highly recommend to put here in the amount of soul to pair 0.3 soul, okay? Like that, you will have the perfect amount of supply in your wallet, and then you can make profits as a dev. Now look, this is not a loss. You are not losing this money. You can get this on the back whenever you want, so it's not a fee, it's nothing, okay? You can get this back at the end or whenever you want, okay? Now look, click on create pool, wait for your Phantom White to show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the chud coin is live. Your profits are going to be right there. You have everything here that you need. And if you click on the refresh button right here to check how much you're up within like 5 seconds. Okay, damn, bro, damn, people are buying in our coin actually. That's good. That is a great sign because we copied a trending coin. Now look, click on view on Photon or go on your trading terminal to see the coin. Let me go on full screen for it to fucking load. And as you guys can see, bro, people are buying in. There's all fucking green candles. We are at the 2K market cap. Things are looking absolutely insane. I think we're up like 200 bucks. Like, bro, this is exactly why you have to start deving, bro. It's the method. It's in my opinion, it's way better than trading, bro. Like, we have nothing to lose. This coin costed us nothing to make, okay? And now we're up 200 bucks, and this coin is going like, it's a bit slow though, but on the low end we're still making money, okay? So even though we're up, okay, we're up no matter what, and that's exactly why I love deving. Now guys, $31, it's a bit slow, but more and more people are going to start seeing the coin, and then it should start picking up soon. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out your supply, your profits, okay? So let's go. I am back. We are at the 5.3k market cap, 2k liquidity, bro. Let's cash out our money right now. I will show you how, bro. I think it's the perfect time to cash out. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here, bro, 2.2k. Damn, we're gonna receive this right now if we cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then wait for your phantom to appear. Come on, faster. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it from start to finish, okay? I just showed you exactly how. And look, It feels more real when you see it in your Phantom wallet. 2.2k, bro, from one singular meme coin launch that we vamped. Now guys, you can do that over and over again. Maybe on the next launch you might make like $100, $500, then 20, then break even. You never know, but you have to stay consistent and just dev every single day. Create meme.io will be linked down below or in the description, bro. It's all for educational purposes only. Peace out.